All right, one more example for solving systems of equations using graphing. During school reset. During school vacation, Marquis, he's French, wants to go bowling and play laser tag. He wants to play 6 total games. Doesn't care if they're all bowling or if they're all laser tag. He just wants to play he wants to play 6 total games. We all have goals in life. But he needs to figure out how many of each he can play if he spends exactly $20. Okay, so Marquis is poor. Just kidding. He has more money than me. Marquis has $20. He has $20. That's not a negative sign. That just says he has $20. And he wants to play 6 games of something. He's not too particular. Bowling. So let's use X for bowling. Because when you hit all of the pins, there's 10 pins, and that's called a strike when you get an X. I'm stretching, I know. Okay, Y is laser tag. Because I guess we could let's make Z laser tag. That might be fun. Z is laser tag because laser has a Z in it. Has a lot of other letters we could have used too, I guess. Okay, Z is laser tag, X is bowling. Bowling is $2 per game. I don't know where he bowls. It cost me a lot more than $2. Anyway, laser tag is $4. Okay, so bowling is 2, laser tag is 4. So we can have, and what we know is he wants to play 6 total games, right? So bowling, X, that's one game, one kind of game. Or the number of bowling games is X. The number of laser tag games is Z. And so if we add them together, we want to get 6 games. And then $2 every time we bowl, or Marquis bowls, plus $4 every time he plays laser tag. And he has $20 that he wants to spend on games. Okay, so we can use these 2 equations. We have 2 equations. We just need to graph them. Again, we need to have them in y-intercept form. In this case, because we used z, we're going to have them in z-intercept form. Let's label our axes. So our z-axis, this is our laser tag axis. And our x-axis is our bowling. Okay, and really we're only going to be interested in this positive because we can't play negative laser tag games and we can't bowl a negative number of games. I don't even know what that would look like. Okay, so we need to solve each of these equations for z, and for the first one, the x plus z equals 6. I'm going to do that in red. X plus z equals 6, and we just need to subtract x from both sides. Z equals 6 minus x, or negative x plus 6. Let's write it as negative x plus 6. So we have our slope first. Negative x plus 6. Okay, we solved for laser tag. Laser tag is the same thing as bowling, well, negative bowling plus 6. All right, and now we're going to solve the other one. Laser tag is also, so this one, we have a little bit more work to do. We have 2x plus 4z equals 20. This is how much it's going to cost. Subtract 2x from both sides. And that's going to give us 4z is equal to negative 2x plus 20. My video's running. Okay, so let's finish this one. We have, we're at 4z equals negative 2x plus 20. Need to divide everything by 4. And z is going to equal negative 2 over 4 is negative 2 over 4. But that actually reduces to negative 1/2, right? 2 is half of 4. Negative 1/2 x. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, so start by graphing our red one. Our y-intercept is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a point here. And our slope is negative 1. So down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And then our other one, our blue line, I guess I should draw that red line in first. Draw the red line in. And again, we're going to keep everything positive because we could use some positivity. Actually, it's because you can't bowl negative times and you can't play laser tag negative times. All right, z, our y-intercept is 5, so I'm going to go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a slope of negative 1/2. So down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, etc. And we can already see where it's going to cross. So I'm going to draw that in. Whoops, I always do that. Try and stop when I hit to 0 this time. Okay, and those are our two lines. Now we just need to figure out what is this intercept. So this is at x equals 2 and y equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Y equals 4. So I'm going to take this across and this up. X equals 2, y equals 4. That's my ordered pair. And again, what does that mean? Well, x, I guess that's z equals 4. X is our number of bowling games. So Marquis bowled 2 games. And z is laser tag, which was 4 games of laser tag. So he played 4 games of laser tag and 2 games of bowling. And then he was happy with his vacation, and he went home and took a nap. Okay, that's it for this example, and probably for this topic as far as videos go. Have a wonderful day.